Housing providers are under pressure as budgets tighten and demand grows. With rising expectations, disconnected systems, and slow processes, service teams are struggling, and tenants are left waiting and frustrated. But what happens if housing providers could streamline services and improve tenant experiences with one connected platform? Marcus, head of digital services at a housing provider, faced this exact challenge. His team was stretched thin, overwhelmed by delays and increasing call volumes. They chose Tenant Hub, a connected platform that enhances their existing housing management system without replacing it. It breaks down silos, modernizes service delivery, and offers a 360-degree view of each tenant through integrated applications and end-to-end delivery. Built-in automation and 24/7 self-service freed staff to focus on more complex cases, reducing stress and boosting morale. Tenant Hub also enables providers to collaborate, adapt apps, and share best practices, accelerating innovation across the sector. With real-time insights and out-of-the-box capability, the team saw improvements from day one. Now, Marcus's team deliver better service faster and saves money in the process. Tenant Hub empowers housing providers to transform service delivery, supported by real cost savings.